Good day, guys. This is Land Cruiser LC300 conversion from basic option to full option look. It's already painted pearl white, and we also have it in black. So this is upper bumper piece with the grills, and this is lower bumper piece, like a regular one. Fender liners also included in the package. It's already clip type, so nothing to worry about. There's a clips included in the package. You can see the mud guards also and the splash guards. We have it original and aftermarket both. And this is a bumper grill. Front radiator grill is also part of it. It's included. Rear bumper piece, complete rear bumper. So it's made of two parts, upper and lower. Reflectors part of it. So this is front bumper upper, front bumper lower piece. Rear bumper upper piece and lower piece, front splash guards as well, rear mud flaps, and the fender liners. These are the clips, brackets, washer lamp covers. You can see it's also included. If you have washer lamp cover, or if you have not, just you can close that space. Okay, some trims also included. Parking sensor dummy covers. If you don't have parking sensors, those extra included here. Holders also for parking sensors. What is this one? It's another holder. Okay, another fender liners also. Okay, here and here. Front and back, left and right. Full set. Basic to full option style. Land Cruiser exterior conversion body kit, Land Cruiser LC200 to LC300 look. Complete exterior conversion body kit, including side skirts with light, as you can see. This is like Lexus style. It's PP quality plastic bumpers, front and back, including fog lamps, grills. That's a hood. There is a trunk door, lip spoiler kit as well, front fenders, mud flaps, front mud flaps, rear mud flaps, headlights. This is another mud flaps here, brackets, another side step as well. It's mirrors complete. All right, and also you can see there's a control buttons, power mirrors. Logos original we can add for you also, like we did it here. Radiator grill, chrome garnish for the trunk door is also included. Radiator grill 2021 look. Tail light set, rear bumper lamps, reflectors. This is a fog lamp frame with the grills, bumper grills. Number plate holder. Fender upper garnish, splash guard on the up. Fog lamp brackets also, and the wire harness. This is for petrol engine, upper radiator shield. If you have a diesel car, we have the original one for you, which have a turbo inlet in that one. So if you have a diesel or petrol, just name it, we have it, both. Lip spoilers are included here. This is 2021 style. It's already painted black. We also have painted white, pearl white. Package in stock. Good quality PP plastic bumpers. Rear bumper step cover is also included here. That is the one. You can get additional exhaust tip, you can have moldings, any extra pieces, just let us know. We will add all the radiator brackets, supports, hinges for the trunk door is mandatory for you, must be included. Lifter shocks, all right. So for the front hood, you need them, bracket, catch lock, everything is there. Full package.